of this wig transformation. So it was kind of a struggle to actually get used to this wig, because with bobs it normally don't work with me. I normally get it in a weird length. So this length is a 12-inch that I got. If you want it to be longer than this, I do recommend getting one longer. And yeah, I didn't cut this wig myself. I just left it with the length that it came in, and I actually really love it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Watch me put this wig on and slay it and do whatever. I did not film this makeup look, mainly because I already filmed this look. I just put some sparkly things in between my tear duct. So yeah, that's the only difference. But other than that, I did do it in my everyday makeup routine. I use every single product. So yeah, let me stop talking and y'all could enjoy this video, because this wig is slid. Okay, honey? So yeah, enjoy this video. Bye, guys. I didn't show you guys how she was looking after I flat ironed her. But this is she, this is her. Okay? This is how she's looking. So I'm going to put some of my powder in there just to get it to my skin tone real quick. So I'm gonna take this powder right here and just put it on place. Just a little sign. Alright, so if I'm going somewhere important and I want like my wig to stay on my head for like more than a day or two, then I'm gonna do the ball cap method. But other than that, I usually just put my wig on with got to be glue styling gel in the spray. I'll show you guys how I do it. I'm just going to make this wig a little bit tighter so that it could fit my big head. It came a little big, so there are adjustable straps in the back, looking like brows. And I'm just going to stick it in there. Now I'm going to put my wig on my head. I've already what I was gonna say. I've already oiled my hair and stuff like that. I've done all that already. So yeah, make sure this is sitting right. So this is where my wig is going to be sitting. I don't know if I want to do a side part or a middle part. I'm not sure. So I'm just going to take some more powder and put it like around there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just grab my glue and my spray. Now I use these only because I'm not going to leave this wig on for too long. So yeah, that's why. Other than that, I use my boho glue. I can't find it, but I do use the boho glue to do the ball cap method. If you guys want to see that, I can definitely try to do the ball cap method for you guys. I have one on my channel, but it's an old video. I don't know if you guys want to watch that or you guys want to see the updated one. So yeah, I'm gonna push this lace back, all right? And then I'm going to take my spray and just spray my hair and then put the glue and then blow dry and blah, blah, blah. I'm just gonna fast forward and listen to some music real quick because it's self-explanatory. All right. already put the spray and the glue, as you guys seen. Now the glue is a little bit tacky. You always want the glue to be a little bit tacky before you even put the lace. So now I'm going to drag my lace and position it to where I want it to be sitting, okay? I'm going to press it down onto the glue. And then I'm going to blow dry it on cool air. I always use cool air. If you can't take the heat, the hot heat from the blow dry, you can definitely use cool air. So yeah. The perimeter of my forehead, like around my hairline real quick, just for some more security. And I'm gonna blow dry it on. Is glued down, I'm going to use my elastic band to melt this lace into my scalp real quick. I usually make it very tight, just so you know we could get that security that we need. And the flaps are always like, they always piss me off. So what I'm gonna do is just get rid of this flap right now. Is always hard for me because I normally mess it up, but y'all don't see it because I hide it. So yeah, and I hope y'all see what I was doing because I really hate doing that part. Anywho, just going to clip this part out like this. Don't be alarmed if like you cut the lace and there's like some hair out of it, because it's extra lace and you don't need that extra hair, so dump that away, okay? Don't be alarmed. Oh. So my flaps are not glued down for some reason, so I'm just going to glue them down real quick. Well, this part is semi-glued down. I'm just gonna glue them down with the same thing I've been doing. Put some glue, put some spray, then I'll get back to you guys. So this is how it's looking so far. Okay, I'm gonna take my elastic band and stretch it out and put it on my lace so it can melt. sure that the elastic band is actually on the lace where you want it to be like melted or whatever. So you can see I'm always like pulling it. It wasn't dry yet. Okay, yeah, just put the elastic on the lace, exactly. So now I am going to figure out whether I want a middle part or a side part because I really don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna, of course, like, I'm going to flat iron the parts or hot comb, whatever. But I just want to see what part I really... I'm gonna take the elastic off because I normally take it off when it starts to hurt my head, and it's doing that, so taking it off. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna clip these away now. Again. Where's the other one? Alright, so this is how my lace is going right now. You're gonna see some white spots, but I'm gonna get rid of that with some alcohol. This part is still wet a little bit, so I'm just going to blow dry it. Alright, so everything seems to be dry now. I'm just gonna take my scissors, wet that in the middle, and then I'm gonna start cutting. You have to cut in like not a straight line, because obviously we did pluck the straight hairline because we don't want a straight hairline. So I'm kind of like moving my scissors up and down really, just to make sure that I don't have a straight hairline. Some alcohol. So I'm gonna do the next side. To take my alcohol, and then I'm going to take a cotton pad, and then I'm going to remove the residue that is left on the part, because we don't like that. So the glue is off my forehead. Now I'm just going to take some more spray. Actually, I'm gonna take this spray. This is the bed head from TGI. Hard head, extra hold, blah blah blah. I'll leave it in the description box down below. So I'm just gonna spray my hairline with that. I love this spray because it doesn't like spray like the Got To Be glue. So the Got To Be glue is kind of like not even, but this one is like, you know, it's misty. So yeah, I'm going to blow dry that on cool air, and then I'll be back with you guys. Before I continue mini blow dry, I'm gonna use my end of the red tail comb just to press down the little extra lace that was left behind. Is definitely giving me Auntie JoJo vibes, so I'm going to go with the side part because I don't like that. It's giving Auntie, and I don't like it. I have a problem with bob wigs, but I did this video just for you guys to find an affordable wig that you don't have to spend too much money on. So this is why I'm doing the video, but this wig is not a wig. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna do a side part. Spray this seam spray that I used and the extra bit of lace that was left behind, I mean. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my curling wand and my hot comb so I can make this hair actually. Looks a little bit bland, so let me see. Should I do it here? Should I not? Okay, let me see. Legit giving me auntie vibes right now, and it's pissing me off for real. That is dead ass pissing me Alright, so I think I'm just gonna do baby hairs over here and over here. Maybe one last one over here. Okay. So I might do like 3 little baby hairs. I think I'm going overboard now, but that's okay. You can always brush them baby hairs back in the back. gonna stretch it and then put it on the lace. I have some questions, and I also looked up some questions to answer for you guys, just in case you're too shy to ask about them, or you just have no questions at all, just to get to know me a little bit, because I never did a get to know me tag or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna cut these long pieces of hair that I'm gonna do my baby hairs with, just to get it off my face, because I'm going to do my makeup. Alright, so I'm going to start my makeup. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows and then get back with you guys. Alright, y'all, so I just came back to show you guys that I'm going to put some foundation in this little part that I have going on right here. Ooh, by the way, someone asked what I meant in my last video. Someone asked what I meant by putting mascara on your over bleach lace. So I have a mascara, it's black mascara, and you can see that I have some bleach parts right here, some bleach highlights, right? I'm just going to put some mascara on. It's going to disappear. I don't really want to get it too black. I'm gonna erase it, but this is what I meant by you could actually put some mascara to help your lace to get back to, or your hair to get back black. I didn't put too much mascara, but you can see like it disappeared a little bit. So yeah, that's what I meant by putting mascara. Even if the part where you need it to be black is really big, even though it went through your lace like hella a lot. You know what I mean? So you could just use mascara and just continue doing it like section by section, and just keep putting mascara on it and you'll be good to go. So yeah, I might just leave it like that because I haven't got time. So I'm gonna get these questions up and start to answer them. I really appreciate you guys that actually asked these questions, because like I said, not many asked any questions. So yeah. Somebody said, what was your first day in the UK like? So my first day in the UK was like, I wouldn't say normal, but it was, how can I explain this? It was not normal because I was coming to the UK for the first time, obviously, but it was cool. Like the ride on the airplane was a long journey, of course, because you know it's like hours to come to the UK from the Caribbean islands and stuff like that. So yeah, it was pretty normal. It was long, you know. I reached the airport, we went through and stuff like that. My journey was long to actually reach home, because obviously the airport is in London and the bus trip was long and stuff like that. I don't really know how to describe it. It was cool, like it was normal. So yeah. Another question was, do you think somebody with the opportunity to move to the UK should take it? For sure. If you wanna, like, if you feel like you wanna come and you have dreams, and you know, I came and my parents sent me and stuff like that because of opportunities. Obviously, you know, Turks don't have like university. They have just, I think there's only one community college. So yeah, if you have the opportunity, I say go for it, because if you don't like it, you could always go back. So yeah, I say go for it, girl. What am I studying? So I was studying business, and then I moved to travel and tourism. So I was studying travel and tourism. Yeah. So how many siblings do you have? My sister asked this. I only have one sibling. I only have one older sister. So yeah, that's the question. So I'm just gonna move to the questions from Google for a get to know me tag, blah blah blah. So I think I'm gonna just continue doing my eyebrows, and then I'm going to answer these questions. Is you could definitely Google it, but when Turks and Caicos children come to the UK and nobody knows like what Turks and Caicos Islands is or whatever, we usually tell them they're the Bahamas. Even if they don't know, they'd be like, oh, okay, alright, like they know. But to get away with it, we normally say it's near the Bahamas. So if you don't know what Turks and Caicos Islands is, you can definitely Google it. Like a lot of celebrities be going there and stuff. So yeah. The next question is, what are my favorite things about myself? So my favorite things about myself is like, what are my favorite things about myself? Do they mean physical or like, I don't know. I just like the way I could be so honest with people. Like, I'm the type of person, I'm not going to hide anything from you. So if you ask for my opinion, you're gonna get my opinion. Very honest. So I like that about myself, you know. You don't find much real people on this earth. Okay. What is your biggest accomplishment? I'll say my biggest accomplishment is my YouTube channel, because I remember the first video that I put out and how many subscribers I started with. It was so like, I used to beat myself up and stuff like that, but now that my channel is growing very slowly, but it's growing, which I appreciate. Yeah, that is my biggest accomplishment. What is your biggest regret? I live life with no regrets, so anything that happened or happens, I just don't regret it. I don't really regret stuff, so yeah, I live life with no regrets. What inspires you? Seeing other YouTubers, like big YouTubers or any small growing YouTubers, that really inspires me to see like what they accomplish in the matter of months or the matter of weeks. That really inspires me. So yeah, I guess that answers the question. What inspires me? Other YouTubers inspires me. So yeah. What is my favorite actress? So I love Viola Davis, or what? The woman from How to Get Away with Murder. I love her. I love the girl from Dynasty. I can't remember her name, but her. I love her. I love Meredith Grey from Grey's Anatomy. I love her. What else do I love? I've been watching Disney Plus a lot lately, so I love, what's her name? I love Charlie's sister. I actually really love Charlie's sister. She's nice. Next question. My favorite drink. Are we talking alcoholic or soft drinks, soft beverages? I love Coca-Cola for soft beverages, but alcoholic drinks, I love a nice Corona. A Corona Bear, I love that. So yeah. Let me finish this deal. You're probably annoyed to see me at the same eyebrow salon. Gotta get that arch. And everything I use will be in the description box. If y'all don't see it in the description box, it's definitely going to be on my video with my foundation routine, my updated foundation routine. So you can go ahead and click that. I'm using the same exact products from that video. My favorite food, I definitely love a good pizza. I can eat pizza every day if it's good. Like my perfect pizza would be a nice fluffy crust. Like the dough have to be like fluffy and nice. My toppings will always be like basic, so pepperoni and cheese and jalapenos sometimes. It depends, because some pizza place, look at me getting old. Some pizza places normally put the jalapeno on top of it when it comes out the oven, but I don't really like that. I like my jalapenos to be hot and a little bit smoky. So yeah, I have a specific way that I love my pizza. So yeah, the answer is pizza. I really love pizza. My favorite music genre, I love every music. Like I'll listen to anything I would listen to. So yeah, I'm into everything, every music. So yeah. My favorite type of clothing. My favorite type of clothing is like chill. Like I'm always wearing a t-shirt and jeans and stuff like that. I can't find my spoolie. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I love my chilling clothes, like joggers, basketball pants. Yeah, like chilling outfits. I'm pretty sure you guys know that. My favorite restaurant. That is easy. My favorite restaurant is Nando's. Like, I love me some Nando's. If you don't know what Nando's is, it's a restaurant in the UK. It's a chicken restaurant. Well, they don't only sell chicken, but what I normally get, okay, my Nando's, what do you call it? My order will be the 10 chicken wings, extra hot or extra spicy, and you want chips, so fries. So I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna get fries, and then I'm going to get garlic bread, and then I want my peri-peri salt on the side so I can sprinkle it by myself, and I need some type of sauce, like some hot sauce or like the extra hot sauce that they use to make the chicken. I want that. So yeah, that's my Nando's order. Dog or cat? I really love cats. Yeah, I really love cats. I'm definitely a cat person. I don't have anything against dogs, but cats are where it's at for me. Am I a good cook? Child, I love cooking. Like, I'm a great cook. I'm not a good cook. I'm a great cook. Okay? I could chef it up in the kitchen. Okay? So yeah, I'm a great cook. Okay? Anybody can vouch for that. Like, anybody that I've cooked for or anybody who tasted my food can vouch for that. So yeah. Do I have a best friend? If you're speaking about my boyfriend, yes, I have a best friend. My boyfriend is my best friend, but other than that, I don't have any other best friends. My star sign. Like, what's Does it mean like am I an Aries, Pisces, that type of stuff? If yes, then I'm definitely an Aries. Like, I think Aries are the like most blunt people in this earth. Like, we don't care what we gotta say. We're gonna let you know. We're gonna let you have it. Okay. So yeah, I'm an Aries. What is something I look for in a partner? This is a great question because let me tell you, I'm really picky with certain type of people. Like, if we're chilling and I see something that I don't like and you doing it, it's like a big turn off. So my what was the question? Oh, something I look for in a person, in a partner. So I look for goofiness. Like, I love to laugh. I love laughing. Like, I'm a laughing person. I'm a happy person on good days. So I love a goofy person. I love a person who can put my feelings into consideration. Like, someone who doesn't only care about themselves. I love a person who listens, because you know, people go through stuff and you actually want someone, you know, who could actually listen to you and give you advice on anything, even though, you know, they don't know what advice to give. At least they listen, you know. So yeah, what else do I love? I love a person who like shows their significant other off. I really love that, because some people be so like, oh, I don't want the world to get in my business and blah blah blah. But boo, you don't want the world to get in your business, but at least show the person that you're dating so it won't look like it's a secret. You know, drops makeup brush, because some niggas really be out here talking about some, oh, I don't want people in my business. Like, nigga, show your girl off, because all that is nonsense. Like, it don't make sense to me. It's so stupid. But yeah, I need all of that in a partner. How difficult is it for me to be honest? Like I said, I'm an Aries and I don't really care what you think about my opinion. Like, I'm gonna let you know what it is. You can either take it or just let it float in the air, because I'm not gonna let it stay in my head and create unwanted tension, you know? So yeah, it's not hard at all for me to be honest. So if you want my opinion, definitely come to me, because I will let you know. Just saying. How old you think you'll be when I get married? How old I think I will be when I get married? So this question is a bit, you know, I'm a little bit iffy about this question, just because I don't want to put a time frame on when I want to get married and all that stuff, just because, you know, everything is in God's plan. Like, we be making our own plans and God be like, ha 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 ha, like, girl, you thought, because this ain't what it finna be. This ain't how it's supposed to be. So you could just stop putting time frames and stuff. So anyway, the answer to the question is, it's in God's hands, okay? So yeah, I know I want to get married like in my late 20s, but God probably like be like, girl, nah, you know this ain't how it finna be, okay? So listen, let God do his thing, okay? So the next question is, what's the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning? So the first thing I do, I'm just gonna try and put my lashes on before I try to answer this question, because I actually need to get on with my makeup. So yeah, I'll answer that question after I put my lashes on. To the question that said, first thing I do when I wake up. So first thing I do when I wake up is I pray. To some people that's shocking, but y'all, you need to pray. you up in the morning. You know, you can't forget that. Because if he didn't wake you up, girl, who was finna wake you up? Who was finna wake you up? So yeah, I definitely pray in the morning and thank God for waking me up for another unpromised day. It don't have to be long. It don't have to be like a full long thing, but just simply thank him, you know? So yeah, that's what I do when I wake up, and then I go and make food, of course. So yeah, what are the top 3 qualities that draw me to someone new? So the thing about me is, like, I could sense somebody's vibe really, really early. Like, if I'm just chilling, I'm chilling. If I'm just chilling and with a group of people, I usually stay quiet and observe people just because that's what I do. Like, I don't really associate with people that much, but if I'm quiet, definitely know that I am observing you. I'm not gonna be staring at you and be like, but I'm definitely observing everybody that's in the room with me, just because I believe in like bad energy and all that. Someone's in my eye and all that good stuff. So yeah, the top 3 qualities the top 3 qualities that draw me to someone new is, you gotta be like chill. You gotta be like not too judgy. Like, I don't really like people who judge everybody for every single freaking thing they do. Like, that is so annoying. Like, how could you? Are you perfect? Like, let the person do them. Let the person live their life and let the person have fun, you know? So yeah, I don't like a too judgy person. So you must not be too judgy. You must have a great energy. So if you have a negative energy, I could feel it. And I promise you, I won't even open my mouth to talk to you. Like, we don't need to talk. We could just simply have fun and, you know, call it a day. So good energy, not too judgy, not judgy at all, actually. And I think that's about it. Oh, I don't like girls who just live for men or boys' attention. Like, what is wrong with you? Can you just chill? Like, I don't like people like that. Like, calm down. Honestly, I don't like people who live for men or boys' attention. That's not my cup of tea. So you must have a great energy. You must not be judging for everybody who's around you and stuff like that. And you must not always want men attention. Like, when you see boys, all of a sudden, like, your voice ain't deep no more. You know, everything just switch up. I don't like that. So yeah, to chill with me, you just gotta be, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I hope you guys get the 3 things. What else? What do you think about the most? What do I think about the most? I'm always thinking about my success. So yeah, I just want to see where God brings me in life. Like, I'm so grateful for where he put me right now, but I'm always thinking about, like, where am I gonna be in the next couple of years, you know? You never know. You never know. That's all the questions. So I think I'm just going to end this video. Well, I'm gonna half this video right here, and then I'll be back with you guys to do my outro and stuff. I'm also not gonna be doing anything extra to this wig. I'm just going to do some edges and then hope for the best. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Alright, you guys, so I'm done with my makeup. If you guys want to see how I got this look, definitely check my channel. This is my everyday makeup look. I just put like a little sparkly red thing in the middle. Not in the middle, in my tear duct. I hate when lip gloss do this. Hold on. yeah. So, I don't know if I want to keep this wig straight or if I want to put some curls in it, like some loose curls, because it's still giving me auntie vibes for some reason. Let me see. So it's definitely still giving me auntie vibes. So I don't know if I should curl it or not. I think I'm gonna put some curls in there and just see how that goes. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Wow, this turned off. I think I'm actually gonna put some curls in it for real, for real. So I'm just gonna section it off. That's if it's gonna hold the curls. Even if the curls are loose, then I don't mind. And I did not cut this hair myself. It came like this. I didn't use the scissors and cut it whatsoever. This is not going to work. Like what? Let's just see, because the back is actually short. So let's just continue and see. Now it's not giving me auntie vibes, it's giving me like Earth Day vibes. I'm just gonna run my hand through this here really quickly so I can see what this here is giving, because I don't know, man. I don't know. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna try and put some more curls into this here. And then, wait, hold on. I think I got some. Yeah. I think I'm gonna put some curls in it, and then I'll come back and do the outro. But other than that, this wig is beautiful. It takes bleach really nicely. It takes heat really nicely. Like, there's not much shedding coming from it. So yeah, I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so I figured it out. This is what I did. So I took my hot comb and then I kind of just pressed it down just to bring the curls down a little bit, and then so just like this, and then I did it to the other side as well. You know, it's curly on this side, but I kind of want it to be behind my ear, so I did this. And yeah, I spray it with this spray that I got really lightly. And yeah, I'm feeling this wig again. I really like it, and I hope you guys like it too. The link to everything will be in the description box down below. If you guys want to get this makeup look, check my channel. I think it was, I don't know, but you can check my channel for my everyday makeup routine. It's gonna be there. I really love this. Like, I actually really like it now. So yeah, you guys, if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below. Thank you to the two persons who actually asked me a question. So yeah, if you are new to this channel, definitely subscribe, turn your post notifications on whenever I post a new video, and I see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye guys.